Hey travelers, this is going to be the room review for the Hershey Lodge. My name is Amadi and I went to the Hershey Lodge around 2 months ago for a data conference, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the lobby. So it definitely is true that you get a Hershey bar once you check in. The Hershey Lodge gives exactly what the name says. It gives like a cabin or a lodge if you went on a ski trip or if you've seen ski trips in the movies. Also, what's really cute is that they have a Hershey candy shop as well as a gift shop, and then walking towards this area is where I went for my conference. So the room is pretty standard. It was clean. It also had good lighting. I was taking this video during the night when I checked in after I went to the bar. So sorry if it's a little shaky. I tried my best, y'all. So the bath was a decent size. Like I said, it was pretty clean, and it had pretty standard towels as well as like soaps and so on. So it came with one bed, and also it was a section for if you wanted to do some work from home, as well as a couch. So overall, I liked my room. I'm not the biggest fan of carpet, but you know, most hotels will have carpet in the room. So hopefully you enjoyed this room review. Overall, I did enjoy the Hershey Lodge. I think the check-in went really well, especially since it was a big state conference. So we checked in pretty quick and pretty fast. And I overall had a good experiences with the restaurants as well as the other amenities in the Hershey Lodge. If you're looking for other room reviews, I have room reviews for Cartagena, Colombia, as well as Medellin, Vegas, and the Bahamas. Make sure you peruse my channel. Bye!